In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a single product image into a finished video ad in 15 minutes. And a machine that can split out 30 more on demand. No editor, no agency, no $100 per pop UGC creators. You just describe what you want and the AI will output the workflow in demand. Hi, my name is Edwin Chen and I've been running my own AI agency like AI over the past 2 years, serving over more than 52 different clients worldwide, working with voice, chat, and automation workflow solutions like the one you see in this video. And if you want to work with me and my team, you can use the link in the description to book a free discovery call with us. So ElevenLabs just released its own 11 Creative Flows Agent, which is actually what we're going to be using in order to create ads from AI workflows. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. So the first thing you want to do is actually go to ElevenLabs. And within the main ElevenLabs dashboard, there should be like your homepage. And the thing that you want to do is you want to click on Flows. And Flows is, as you know, is basically a workflow in order to create a creative project. For example, an ad. You can generate images, videos, audio generation, etc. All you have to do is click on New Flow. And from here, you will basically go into a canvas. If you've been using this kind of AI builder workflow before, like NAN or Voiceflow, it should be pretty familiar to you already. So the advantages of this is that you actually have a conversational interface, meaning that you can just type exactly what you want to produce here, and it will actually create the workflow for you. Kind of like vibe coding, but this is like vibe flowing, I like to call it. So let's go ahead and actually create a project for a product act, for a candle, for example. I've here in the prompt built me a 6 to 8 second vertical 9:16. If you don't know what 9:16 is, it's just the aspect ratio. So it's like a vertical short, like YouTube or TikTok. Social ad for a scented candle in a glass jar. From one product image I'm uploading, use an upload media node for my hero studio photo of the unlit candle. From then create a video generation node using the model. For now, I can be using VO 3.1, but similarly, I could be using Seed Dance, which is one of the most popular and realistic models in video generation. In 9:16 to do a slow cinematic push-in on the jar. Again, you're describing the format and you're describing what models you're using and you're describing exactly how you want the scene to play out. Light the wick so a soft, real flame appears and add a warm glow, gentle heat shimmer, and flickering light around the jar. 6 to 8 seconds, no on-screen text, no hands. Because again, if you have been using AI generation models, you know that they're a bit weird with fingers and hands, so we want to avoid that. Add a text-to-speech node using 11 version 3, which is its latest voice model, with my clone voice, which will select the voice ID in a bit. With a short, warm voiceover, I'll give you the script, right to fit the 6 to 8 second clip. Add a music node for a soft, warm ambient instruct your bed. So you can actually describe music as well. So it actually has a node called music. So it will create the background music for the entire ad. Generated quiet and low level so it sits under the voice. Looping cleanly, a touch longer than the clip. Then add a composition node that layers videos on top of the voiceover and quiet music with it. So if you don't know what composition node is, so if you click here, it's basically a way, kind of like a video editing canvas. You know, you can see the videos and the audio, etc. Kind of like a video editor. Pick the models and now use the one upload media, video generation, etc. Right. So this is kind of like the prompt, and now you can attach images to it. So for now, I'm actually going to find a candle image in order to attach to it. Okay, actually this image is maybe better. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to upload this image. Remember, it should be in JPEG format, so I'm going to upload this. So you can just select this photo and now you click on run. And now you can see on this interface, this is where like the classic vibe coding interface works from. So you're talking to a LLM, a large language model. Similar to something like Claude Code, you basically have a permission. So like you can do it such that it doesn't need permission and it can just auto run. But I won't recommend it in actual workflow because you actually want to manually go through each step it say and actually do it step by step by step. So you can see it has created its first node, which is the upload image node right here. And you say which voice is still in the workspace. Should I choose for the voiceover? I'll just choose a random voice. I'm going to choose Better, maybe for now. And then it will say drop your voice over script below. So this will be the voice over script of the ad itself. So I'm just going to put the script in here. So I'm going to say some moments deserve a little warmth, one match, and the whole room softens, only with beauty candles, right? This is kind of the ads. So now, as you can see, it created a video generation node, right? With basically it created a prompt itself, extreme close-up show of a candle in a glass jar. With warm studio interface, use the attached reference images for the candles, etc. This is basically the video description. And just very quickly, you can choose like the model here. I'll be choosing seat downs. It's like a very popular model and it's really good as well. Seat downs 2.0. And you can choose the aspect ratio, the resolution, the amount of time, and whether it generates audio or not. And it also created the voiceover using the ElevenLabs text-to-speech, right? So it sounds something like this. It has a preview of how it's going to sound.
Some moments deserve a little warmth. One match and the whole room softens, only with beauty candles.
Right, it's okay. I don't really like the voice, so I can just choose whatever voice I want to, right? So if I choose this one, for example.
Some moments deserve a little...
You can just run it, right? You can choose the model here, by the way. I choose 11 version 3, and you can just run it here. I choose a new voiceover, and also this creates the ambient music, the background track music, so you can listen to it. So this actually created the music in real time using this prompt, right? Soft, warm, ambient, instrumental. By the way, I know that inside this interface, it created this workflow, but you can just jump into the node and actually change the prompt. And then you can actually tweak, like, for example, the models that you're using, how long it's going to be, etc. Yeah, you can tweak all of that in here if you don't like any of the options. So I'll just run it again here.
Some moments deserve a little warmth. One match and the whole room softens, only with beauty.
Yeah, right. And then all the three components, so you have the video component, you have the voiceover component, then you have the background music component. All three components actually attach together into this composition node. Again, as I mentioned, the composition node is basically combining the video, the audio, and the music layer all together in like a video editing canvas here. So you have the final output within here, right? So yeah, so it's just asking for permission. So I'll say, yep, run it. And so now it will actually run through the entire workflow. So now you can see it's starting the video generation. So now, as you can see, it finishes created the video and it has all the layers now. So it has the final product. So we can actually play this here.
Some moments deserve a little warmth. One match and the whole room softens, only with beauty candles.
So it's not perfect in that final second. You can probably trim it out or like extend it a little bit because it's not moving. But then overall, it's pretty good. You can add like text and titles in there as like a final editing, but as like a first draft or like conceptual idea, I would say it's pretty good. Personally, don't like the volume too much. It's a little bit too high and maybe a little bit higher for the background music. So I would just like it like that. Once you're happy with it, by the way, you can just use the download button and then you can just download the video right here. And then you can just put it in your video editing software like Premiere Pro, and then you can do some post editing. So this is kind of like your first draft, or like the raw footage, not really B-roll, but like a very skeleton edit of like the ad, and then you can After Effects, post effects to it, etc. So yeah, this is 11 Flows. This is actually how you can turn any concept, even from text, you can generate a photo, because now we have a photo and turns it into video, right? But we can just as well start from plain text, just from concept to images to videos with audio and also music embedded together. So if you enjoyed this kind of content, remember to like and subscribe. And if you're a business owner and you want to work on similar projects like this with me and my team, you can use the link in the description to book a free discovery call with us. But yeah, this is it for me, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.